Welcome to Fixo, your innovative platform for solving phone software problems remotely. Do you work in phone maintenance and do not know how to solve some problems? Don't worry, Fixo is here to help you. Fixo makes it easy and simple. First, create an account, then top up your balance, and then go to the section to solve your problem. Then choose the service, price, and appropriate person to solve the problem. We have 4 sections. 1. Problem solving. This is specific to displaying new problems in phones. 2. Tool rental. This is for renting a tool if you know how to use it. 3. Selling files. This is about displaying valuable files and you can earn money without difficulty within this section. 4. Server. This is for services that require time, such as iCloud, FRP, and other services. Why choose Fixo? Because we provide for you. Easy access to experts. Direct chat between the customer and the service provider. Support all the time. Competitive prices that suit everyone. Join thousands of satisfied users and visit the Fixo platform now. Let us help you solve your problems quickly and efficiently. Fixo, the ideal solution to remote software problems while you are at your place. Visit the website now and enjoy our pioneering services.